In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to count unique values with criteria in Excel. We'll walk through a simple example that shows how to count only the distinct entries in a list based on a specific condition. This is especially useful when you're working with larger data sets and you want a clean count without duplicates. Start by opening Excel and getting into a blank worksheet, or opening a sheet where you want to try this example. Once you're there, enter your sample data so you have something to work with. In this example, the data should be arranged so that one column contains the values you want to count uniquely, and another column contains the criteria you want to filter by. Next, click into cell D2. This is where you'll place the criteria label that the formula will use as a reference. In D2, type fruit. This tells Excel that you want to count only the unique values associated with that category. After that, click into cell E2. This is where the result will appear. In E2, enter the following formula: equals COUNTA, open parenthesis, unique, open parenthesis, filter, open parenthesis, A2 through A8, comma, B2 through B8 equals D2. Then close the parentheses for filter, close the parentheses for unique, and finally close the parentheses for COUNTA. This formula works in three parts. First, the filter function looks at the range in column A and keeps only the rows where the matching value in column B equals the criteria in D2. Then, the unique function removes duplicates from those filtered results. Finally, COUNTA counts how many unique items remain. It's a compact formula, but it does a lot of work very efficiently. Once you've entered the formula, press Enter. Excel will calculate the result right away. Now, check the result in E2 to confirm that it matches the number of unique values for the fruit category in your sample data. If your result doesn't look right, double check that your ranges match your dataset exactly, and make sure the text in D2 matches the category values in your criteria column. Even a small spelling difference or extra space can affect the outcome. Also, this method works best in newer versions of Excel that support the filter and unique functions. That's it. You now have a quick and reliable way to count unique values with a condition in Excel, and you can easily adapt the same approach to other categories and data sets. If this tutorial helped you, please consider subscribing. We post new software tutorials every day to help you get the most out of your favorite tools. Thanks for watching.